Gentlemen, we'll come back to you for more. Rajesh Palviya is with us, Vice President, Technical and Derivatives Research at Axis Securities. He's also with us. Rajesh, good morning. Good to have you here. How is the setup on the F&O side, Rajesh? Is there enough in the sort of tank, so as to speak, to head to 20,000 and beyond?
Good morning, Prashant. Yeah, it looks like that, we are heading towards 20,000 in this series itself. Looking at the data setup in the previous session, there was aggressive put writing for 19,800, 19,900 strike. That clearly shows that, the confidence is there on the street. And looking at the call writers, they have covered their all position for the strike of 19,800, 19,900, even 20,000 witness call unwinding activity. That clearly shows, writers are on the back foot for the call side. So looking at the overall setup for Nifty, yes, we may see a gap up opening, and again, the follow-up buying is likely to be there in the today's session as well as towards expiry, and maybe we can hit 20,000 mark for this November series itself. Even on the Bank Nifty side, there was again, long unwinding on the call writing. Call writers have covered their position for 43,800 strike. 44,000 strike also witnessed some unwinding action. That clearly shows once Bank Nifty manages to cross above 44,000 level, then there would be another round of short covering can be there in the Bank Nifty also, and that we can see a level of 44,300 for Bank Nifty in the continuation of this pullback action. Even on the PSU, banks also started participating in the this rally. So we expect furthermore, support from the banking space also is likely to be there towards the expiry. So both indices are looking promising. To initiate here to play this bullish view on the market, we are initiating here to buy 19,900 call option that was closed at around 80 rupees. We are projecting target for this call option at around 135 to 145. One can keep a stop loss of 55 to buy 19,900 strike call option. On the stocks front, NMDC is looking promising. The kind of outperformance is there throughout the series. This clearly shows that, towards expiry, this stock can continue furthermore upside towards 195, 200 kind of level we can see. So one can buy NMDC with stop loss of 176. Another stock is from automobile, that is Tata Motors. Clear outperformance. Now stock is approaching towards the 700 mark. Looking at the breakout on the near-term consolidation, we expect that Tata Motors can continue furthermore upside towards 730, 740 mark. So one can buy Tata Motors with stop loss of 685. And the third stock is from OMC, that is BPCL. Very strong set of buying interest in most of the oil marketing company, and BPCL is clear outperformer. It's a fifth consecutive week where we are seeing that, higher high-low formation. That clearly shows that, this stock can continue for the more upside. 445 to 450 is the near-term target for BPCL. One can buy with stop loss of 416.
All right, Rajesh, thanks a lot for that. And since you mentioned on BPCL and some of those OMCs, I'll tell you what, we'll slip into a short break. On the other side, Harshvardhan Dole will be joining in to tell us how he sees things set up for these OMCs.